T-shirt, T-shirt. Shirt, shirt. Blouse, blouse. Top, top. Tank top, tank top. Polo shirt, polo shirt. Sweater, sweater. Jumper, jumper. Hoodie, hoodie. Sweatshirt, sweatshirt. Jacket, jacket. Coat, coat. Blazer, blazer. Cardigan, cardigan. Vest, vest. Pants, pants. Trousers, trousers. Jeans, jeans. Shorts, shorts. Skirt, skirt. Leggings, leggings. Tights, tights. Joggers, joggers. Sweatpants, sweatpants. Culottes, culottes. Dress, dress. Gown, gown. Sundress, sundress. Maxi dress, maxi dress. Mini dress, mini dress. Jumpsuit, jumpsuit. Romper, romper. Overalls, overalls. Robe, robe. Nightgown, nightgown. Raincoat, raincoat. Windbreaker, windbreaker. Parka, parka. Trench coat, trench coat. Puffer jacket, puffer jacket. Cape, cape. Poncho, poncho. Fur coat, fur coat. Duffel coat, duffel coat. Waistcoat, waistcoat. Underwear, underwear. Briefs, briefs. Boxers, boxers. Bra, bra. Undershirt, undershirt. Pajamas, pajamas. Nightwear, nightwear. Sleep shirt, sleep shirt. Camisole, camisole. Slip, slip. Shoes, shoes. Sneakers, sneakers. Trainers, trainers. Boots, boots. Sandals, sandals. slippers, slippers. Flip-flops, flip-flops. Heels, heels. Flats, flats. Loafers, loafers. Hat, hat. Cap, cap. Beanie, beanie. Scarf, scarf. Gloves, gloves. Mittens, mittens. Socks, socks. Stockings, stockings. Belt, belt. Tie, tie. Bow tie, bow tie. Shawl, shawl. Headband, headband. Bandana, bandana. Apron, apron. Uniform, uniform. Costume, costume. Swimsuit, swimsuit. Bikini, bikini. Trunks, trunks. Coat dress, coat dress. Tracksuit, tracksuit. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Kimono, kimono. Sari, sari. Kurta, kurta. Tunic, tunic. Cloak, cloak. Rain poncho, rain poncho. Coverall, coverall. Sportswear, sportswear. Workwear, workwear. Loungewear, loungewear. Thermalwear, thermalwear. Rainwear, rainwear. Well done! You have learned 100 clothing items in English. Watch again, repeat each word out loud, and match the words with the pictures. Practice every day to build strong English vocabulary. See you in the next lesson.